Hi everyone, today we are drawing a masterpiece. We are conquering the mighty, the legendary, cute Rainbow Sushi creature. Grab your black marker before it walks away and let's get outlining. First we sketch this giant goofy bean shape. Look at those massive, questioning eyes. Is it staring into your soul? Absolutely. Add that tiny mouth and some chubby cheeks. Is it happy? Is it shocked? We may never know. Now, let's quickly draw those funny rainbow stripes on its head. Boom! No time for coloring today. Just pure, chaotic ink power. Look at this majestic, slightly confused little dude. If you survive this lightning-fast drawing adventure, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and don't let your markers dry out.